welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. All right, so today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. As always, there's cats knocking stuff down. As always, I have a little guest here. This is Leah. This is Lulu's little sister. She is still being bottle fed. She's approximately like 3.5, maybe 4 weeks old. So she has to still get a bottle. She is learning how to use the potty. I don't know if you can see her face. Hello, hello. It's so cute. Yeah. Okay. So, yep. So I am bottle feeding her every 2 to 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours. It depends on if she really wants to eat or not. But she is doing really, really good. Thank you everybody for your prayers and your thoughts and asking me about Lulu. And unfortunately, she passed away at the vet's office. There was really nothing that they could do, they said. So, you know, they didn't tell me what was wrong with her. They don't know. I could not afford to have, you know, like that little autopsy for kitty cats. I couldn't afford that, you know, just to see what was wrong. It probably would have cost me a fortune. So, but her sister doesn't seem to be sick. She seems to be doing just fine. She is walking around, running around, having fun, playing. So she is just fine. She is doing just fine. So thank you everybody again. I have a little bit of an issue. I burnt my thumb extremely bad. You know, these hot glue guns are extremely hot. So I burn it doing this. I made this cute little pumpkin with a little wooden stem from the Dollar Tree. These are little berries, pick berries from the Dollar Tree, twine from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna hear her crying because I had to put her in her kennel. And this here, what I made it out of, it was one of those little sun hats from the Dollar Tree. You know, like in the summertime you saw those little straw hats. So that's what it's made out of. It's the orange little foam pumpkin. See here, I didn't do anything. The only thing I am going to do is I want to put the little circle that they have, you know, that you can write on with chalk. I'm going to put it on the bottom just to stabilize it, to make sure it doesn't fall over. Okay guys, I apologize. I got cut off somehow. So let me just get back to this. All right, so I don't know where I got cut off at. So I want to show you these. These are the trucks. This is the ribbon that I found. I don't think it's new, but it's new to my store. I have seen it because it was on my wish list. So I'm going to say this is my wish list items. So I did pick up the red truck. I only got 2. There was like 6 of them there, and I felt terrible. I wanted to buy all 6, but I didn't. And then this is the black and white checker. This is not the wired one. I had been looking for that everywhere. It's the farmhouse ribbon. I think they all say the same thing. Yeah, they all say the farmhouse ribbon. So these are really cute. If I find more of these, I will. There was only 2 of these, and I did pick them both up. And then I thought I picked up 2 of these. I will have to check my room. I think I was going to use it for a project, and I decided not to, so I must have moved it. But I did pick up this, and it has the cows and the chickens on it, the little piggies on it, and the farmhouse and the sun. So I really like those. And this also is farmhouse collection, and it is the black polka dots and white ribbon. That is really cute. Now this one is glitter ribbon. I'm not sure if the glitter falls off or not. Let me just check that really quickly for you guys, because I was wondering that. I got the black because of a Halloween project that I'm doing. So and I'm going to use it in that. So oh no, that's really pretty cool. It does not fall off, and it's also sticky back. So see that? Sticky back. All right, it does not fall off. It's not a lot in here. It's 1.67 yards, which is not a lot, but it's pretty thick. See how it is a pretty thick ribbon. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm sorry about the lighting. You know, the lighting in my house is terrible. And this is the wire edge ribbon, and this is the red and the white checker, which actually is like a little maroon and not white. It's a little tannish. So I did get 2 of these. And then of course this is not brand new, but it is new to my store, and I did pick up one. you could put makeup brushes in here, you know, by your makeup and stuff. So it's really cute. Also a stocking stuffer for a little girl. That would be cute too, you know, for anybody actually. To put makeup brushes in, barrettes in, things like that. You could have it next to your bed and put your rings or your watches or your bracelets in there at bedtime. So that's really cute. So I did get that. I picked up these. Now these are really, really cute, and I got 2 of them, and one is a black one and the other one is like a maroon one. They're so pretty with the glitter on it and a little diamonds on it. It's actually not diamonds, it's just a little glitter. So, but they are really cute. I'm not going to change them. I'm going to leave them the way that they are. They're actually going to be going into a bowl filled with all different kinds of pumpkins, and it's going to go on my table. I don't know how long it will sit there, but I'll try to make it sit there long enough. And then I went with Stefano because Stefano came up this weekend. Yes, I have electricity again. Very excited. So Stefano came up and we went to the Dollar Tree, and I found these Crafter Square retractable holders. Now you can put pencils in here, markers in here. Say you were going somewhere and you wanted to do some crafting or coloring or something. These just twist off like this. It's like a little screw. Let me lift you up a little bit. It's like a little screw, and you just undo it. You put your little pencils in there, and then you're off. You're good to go. So yeah, I thought that was a really pretty cool idea. I mean, you just screw it back in, and they're plastic. So I did pick up 3 of them, and they have this little handle on them. Really, really nice. I mean, that's perfect for a crafter on the go, you know. Okay, and of course, talking about ribbon, I went to a different store, and I found, excuse the bags, guys, excuse the bags, and I found this ribbon. So I did pick that up. Okay, I'm just looking to see. And one is a pumpkin. And now this one just says ribbon. It doesn't have any. This was in the fall section. So, and this is, each of these are 3 yards. So 9 feet. But yeah, I thought these were really cute too. The little, you know, the little, I don't know what's going on with my lighting. But yeah, I thought this was really cute, especially for a fall wreath or fall decor. Really, really cute. Let me see. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. Oh, I found this Eco Tools, and this is a cleansing sponge. Now, I used one of these before, and I loved it. So I don't know why I only picked up one, but I did. Because I'm thinning out a lot of my stuff. It's all going to Goodwill, most of it. So, yep, because if I do get to move to Pennsylvania, I don't want to be packing. I really don't. There's only a few things that I will be taking with me, because we're keeping this house, but we're going to be buying another house. So, you know, I'm very excited. But, okay, so, yeah, this is a bamboo charcoal cleansing sponge. They are hard, but when you put them in water, they will soften up. So I've used these before, and I really like them. Okay, and you know, Christmas stuff is already out. So these 2 little ballerinas were so stinking cute. I had to pick them up. So I want to clean them up a little bit around the edges, but they have the little fur on them. You could actually take this fur off and put, because they're, look, see how they have the little thing here. You could take the fur off and put whatever. You could put tulle. That's what I'm thinking about doing, using some Christmas tulle on here, and just taking this off. It has the cute little, now this is from the Dollar Tree too, that little stuff. So, but isn't that cute for little ballerinas? If you have one, you can make a wreath for your little ballerina. Very, very cute. And they're in the Christmas section, which is, you know, all out in the front. I did pick up this Day of the Dead plate. This is just for me. You know, I am always hoping to get back down to Louisiana so that I could see the Day of the Dead parade and things that they have there, because when I lived there with my dad, I heard so many things about it, and I never got to see it, but I would like to actually go down and see it. It'd be really cool to do. And then I found this little book. I got 2 of them. One is a little bit different. It's a smaller book, but I really like this because I could put my little odds and ends in there and nobody would even see them. The last one, the other one had like a magnet on it. I'm going to have to put a magnet on this to keep it closed because it's not actually closing. So, but if you keep it this way and put another little book on top of it, you don't have to worry about it closing, right? And then I picked up a little hand sanitizer. This is just a unicorn one. You know, I gave my kitty cat one to my niece, so I got that one. And these are little pop dots, 2 sheets of them. There's 528 pieces. This is a really good deal. I've never gotten them before, so I'm going to test these out on a couple cards I will be making. And let's see what else I got. Oh, this is new. I don't know, guys. Did you see this? And if anybody saw the roller cutter, please let me know how it works. I mean, I have a really good one that I used a coupon on and I bought, and I really love it, especially cutting my my mesh when I make my my wreaths. It's so easy to use. So I haven't used this yet. I haven't opened it, but I mean, it was just $1. So it says great for cutting paper, fabric, vinyl, and more. So, I mean, it has a small blade. I mean, that's really pretty small. Mine is pretty big, but this is pretty small. Sorry, guys. They had some just little odds and ends here. I'll show you. You know, I really love this home sticker. For some reason, I want to use this on a flower, like a little flower arrangement. I want to use this. So I really like that. So cute. They're puffy. They say they're puffy. So I really like them. They're cute. I got another one of these brushes. I gave my niece 3 of them, and she was really excited to get them. So I think I'll collect them. If I can find more of them, I will, and see if she can get the whole collection. And then here I got some paper clips, and they are just little hearts, and there's 8 of them in there. So guys, I think that is all. I want to thank you guys again so much. Isn't this the cutest little thing? I love it. Turned out so good. I'll have some pictures right here you can see of it. I want to thank you guys so much for all your patience, and you guys know my life is a little bit hectic sometimes. I do have right now, I have 13 cats and kittens here, so I'm extremely busy. I'm constantly cleaning up after something. So, or feeding somebody or taking care of a sick kitten. I don't want to disturb anybody, but like when I get these kittens, they're not in the best of shape. I will have a picture of something. Like I give them baths, and like just some of the conditions that they come to me in is just so terrible. But you know, and some of them are so sickly that, you know, it's just heartbreaking to see how that they come. Now, you know, when I take them to the vet and I say they're going to the vet, they're going to the vet with our own money, not with anything else. I did have a GoFundMe for a surgery that I had for Magic, but unfortunately he did not make it. And but yeah, all that money went to that, and you know, he didn't make it. They come from outside. Gosh knows what they got into or what their mother was eating and had to eat because of it. But it is really scary. It's really sad. That's why all the boys, no matter what, and the girls, if I can afford it, but all the boys get fixed at 6 months old. They get fixed no matter what. They get fixed, because if they're going to get out, I don't want them to be able to get any females pregnant. You know, the cycle has to stop somewhere. It is just so overwhelming. Right now I have 8 cats outside, just 8 cats that are dependent on us for food. I mean, they hunt too, but winter's coming, so I'm trying to bulk them up a little bit so that they have a fighting chance to get through the winter. 4 of the cats have been with us for 2 years now. So, you know, but they don't want to come in, and they will not be adopted if they don't even want to come in. So there's nothing I can do about that. All right, guys, I think I rambled enough. Plus my video cut out on me. I don't know why, but I want to thank you guys so much for all the support and all the kind words and all the thumbs up and all that. And follow me over on Instagram. Thank you so much for doing that. Follow me over on my Facebook page. I will try to post more on Facebook if I know that you guys are going to follow. I will definitely do that for people that don't have Instagram. And all of you do know that you can contact me if you like through my email, which is pamslife@comcast.net. Please do that if you want to reach out to me. And today is National Sons Day. So, kisses to my son. I love you very much, Christopher. I will have a picture of him right here. It was National Daughters Day. I did have a picture of my beautiful daughter and her daughters up on my Facebook page and on Instagram. So, if you guys got to see that, I hope you gave it a thumbs up for my beautiful daughter and my gorgeous granddaughters. They are all, I can't believe how big they're all getting. Alright guys, so if you want me to do a personal vlog, please let me know down below, because I would like to catch you guys up on some of the things that have been happening in my life and Stefano's life. I believe Stefano's going to be doing a life update on his dad. His dad just came out of the hospital once again. His dad was in the hospital, so he just came out. So I think he's going to be doing an update pretty soon on his situation over there. But I am going to let you all go. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. And together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.